Alright guys, hello and welcome to another Sights and Sounds video here in Costa Rica. Today we're in Playas del Coco. Once again in Coco, always a good spot. Look how busy it is. It's Christmas Day today. We're going out on this boat right here, this big catamaran. We're gonna go, I don't know what we're doing actually. I don't even know how I ended up on this boat. I have a wrist thing here. After I upload this video, leave a comment and I'll reply to any comments. I'll figure out how I ended up on this boat, how much it is, how you charter it. We just got these bracelets on the beach here and the boat's getting ready to pick people up. So if this is your first time joining us here, be sure to like, follow, subscribe, leave a comment with any requests, questions that you have, any thoughts, anything you know that we talk about in this video that I don't particularly know. Let me know when you're coming down here to Costa Rica, where you're heading, any questions you have about destinations here. So check that boat out. That's a big, cool boat. Ocean Excelsior. Okay, we're gonna get on it. You can see these are all the people we're lining up here to get on. So apparently, I don't know, we're gonna go out and go to some beaches. So let's do that and see how this trip goes. All right, so here we are, floating along. Everybody's chilling on the boat. We're just heading into Playa Hermosa now. So that's where we're heading towards, right up here, Playa Hermosa. We can see Playa Zone, which is a beach we've been to before, and Playa Penca right over there. And then chiseling out what I think is going to be the Waldorf Astoria. And the one and only hotel is going to be over on this side here. So apparently we're heading over to a beach that's on yonder by the Four Seasons. You can see how many people are on the beach, all drinking, chilling, having a good time, pretty cool. So you can see how quiet this beach is over here, Zone. It's a really nice beach. Hermosa's nice. It's a windy day though here, windy day, but it's very clear. So hopefully we can see some cool stuff out in the water as we get closer to our destination. Alright, on to the next part of this journey. Apparently, I have no idea where we're going actually. Over here is the Four Seasons. Nice beaches up there, all private stuff. Very expensive area over there. See, here's the back of the boat. You got a slide, so I'm sure when we stop somewhere, we'll be able to use a slide. And then we just came, you know, from Hermosa. So you can see there's the Penca that we were just passing. And now this is Playa Panama over here. There's a couple beaches actually in that pocket there that you can get to and check out. I think we've done some videos there before. And yeah, Playa Panama is just over there where we can see those boats. So we're just hauling out here. It's pretty windy still. I think that's called the Monkey's Head there. I'm gonna try to zoom in on that little rock where you can do some scuba diving. We're gonna have to do some scuba diving here. But look at how cool it is. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna stop somewhere and start doing some swimming and snorkeling perhaps. Let's go. All right, so here's our first stop, Playa Hicaro. We're staying here for an hour. Everybody's going down the water slide, doing some snorkeling. You can see out there, swimming. It's high tide right now, so the beach is kind of small. But we stay here for an hour and then come back in and get some food. So you can see the water is very clear, really cool. They have snorkel gear here on the boat. So let's check out some of the activities that we're doing here at Playa Hicaro. Alright, so here we are now. We're heading back to Playas del Coco from whence we came. Here's the islands here out in front of Coco Beach. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Be sure to like, follow, subscribe, leave us a comment or a question you have. Drop a comment down below if you want to know how to get on this boat tour. I'll figure out how I ended up here. Hope to see you here in Costa Rica soon. Thanks for watching. Bye now.